Hi all, welcome to my first ever unboxing video. And today I've got the Bose Frames Tempo, which has just been released. It's so new that I could not even find a single unboxing video, so I'm excited to be doing my own very first unboxing video. Now, I ordered these from Bose UK on Saturday, and today it is Thursday the 17th, and it took by UPS delivery, and that was a delivery and a half because I ordered it on Saturday evening. They dispatched it from Belgium on Monday, and there was supposed to be 2-day delivery, and it only came today, and I almost missed it because UPS is an outdated courier company. They don't tell you when their courier might arrive. They don't have hourly slots. You cannot even track them on live or over the internet, but that's another story. Let's just get this over with, guys, and just see what we have here for the Bose Frames Tempo. Now, I bought these for £249, and let's have a look closely. Thank you, merci, vielen Dank. Bose doesn't tell you much. Product registration. Is it? Oops. Okay, put that aside. And plastic, lots and lots of plastic. And there you have it, the Bose Frames Tempo Style Global Fit. Well, we hope so. That's the sides. Bose Frames integrated audio sunglasses. I got these because A, they have the largest mic drivers, speakers, and they are also IP4 rated, which means they can withstand water splashes better than the other two pairs that Bose is selling. Let's do this. Okay, on we go here. Oh. They don't make these things easy to open. Here we go. Right, put the box. What's in the box? Warranty. Alright, let's take that out of the way. You've got a safety notice that comes in many languages, really thick. Throw. And we've got what appears to be cloth to wipe your sunglasses with. Keep to one side, and the Frames Tempo, which is a how to set up your frames, learn about your nose pad, get future updates, and how to power on the frames. Get the app, and you have to download the Bose app to use the glasses. Okay, so let's have a look at the actual product themselves. It comes in this fabric, which I hope is water resistant case. It's quite sturdy, hard shell. You've got in over here a USB-C to USB-A cable. Let's have a look and see how long this cable is. because sometimes they're so short you really can't do anything with it. It is a fair length. Now Bose says on their product manual that these glasses cannot be used while they are charging, like most of the Bose products. So I guess you'll have to charge them when they're off. There we go. We've got the glasses themselves. And here you are, the Bose Frame Tempo. You've got, oh, there we go. That's how thick those glasses are. You've got the speakers here and here. There are no buttons on the left frame. There is, I'm not sure whether you can see that. There is one button. Oops, I've turned it on. Oh, don't know whether you can hear that. There we go.
To start setup, follow the quick start guide.
If you didn't hear that, it says to start setup, follow the quick startup guide. I guess there's no time like the present. Let's try that and see. I've downloaded the Bose app on my phone. It's registered. It says set up a new product. Right, let's do that. Bose headphones or frames. Let's tap on that. Searching nearby. Don't see the product. Okay, let's try that again. Press the button. It's on. No, connect. Getting ready.
To start setup, follow the quick start guide.
Follow the quick. Will pairing. Oh, pair with Bose frames. Pair. Okay. Getting ready.
Connected to 17NT8.
And
60%.
60%. Allow access to contacts. Allow. Activating your product. Bose Frames Tempo. Activating. And success. Your Bose frames has been activated. Name it. You've got Aces, Alley Oop, Beast Mode, Blackberry Jams, Bright Futures. Who comes up with all these names? The Flash, the Goat, Zoomies. Let's call these as anybody. Just the Bose Frames Tempo or custom name. Let's just call it the Bose Frames Tempo. Save. Renaming your product, Bose Frames Tempo. Your product has been renamed. Let's check your fit. Okay. Move your head up and down. If the frames don't try another nose pad. So the nose pads. Let's have a look. They should be in here somewhere. And yes, so these come numbered. That's 1R, 3R, and I guess what we have on these glasses are 2R. So that concludes the unboxing video at the moment. I shall charge these up. It says 60% at the moment. I will see how long it takes to get to 100%, and let me know in the comments if there's anything I need to tell you guys out there what to expect from these. So I shall hopefully make another video tomorrow when I test them out in the sunshine. That's all for now. See you all later.